So I have here my JBL Everest 310GA wireless headphones, and I want to show you here how to pair these to your smartphone. So we can see here I have here my iPhone, and what do I do? So I'm going here into the settings app, and then here we have Bluetooth. I'm going to select this. And then I'm going to enable Bluetooth here. And I have here already a list of the devices that I previously paired. And eventually the new one here, the JBL Everest, they are going to appear here on the bottom of the list. So in order to make that happen, I'm going to take here my headphones. I'm going here to the right earpiece. That's where we have here the on-off button, the switch. Just going to turn them on.
JBL Everest is ready to pair. Go to the pairing menu on your device.
And you just heard here the instructions. So it says it's ready to pair. We should go to the pairing menu, and now we already see here they are. So JBL Everest 310GA. We're just going to select this. And it's automatically going to pair. It's here in the list and it says it is already connected. So now we can actually use this to play our music here. Alright. So it's playing straight from these headphones. Okay, so now in case you're having trouble with getting these headphones appear in the settings list, in the Bluetooth list, if it doesn't show up here on the bottom, you can't select it. Then there's a little trick that you can try, and that is here on the lower end of the right earpiece. There you see here the Bluetooth button, and if you press that, then it's going to force the headphones into this pairing mode, and you can tell by this blue blinking light. And then you can already again try to pair it, and now it should definitely, the headphones should definitely show up here in the bottom of the list. Alright, yeah, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions then leave a comment below, and otherwise don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.